I'm sick of daydreaming. I just want the feeling of you in my bed. I'm down to just waste time right below your waistline. Want you by my head. I'm done with all this FaceTime. Need some alone time, baby. You're always running in my mind. I'm sick of daydreaming. I just want the feeling of you in my bed.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I do not have my spectacles today, and that's because I'm filming in front of a window and I don't want to have the reflection of the glasses. So we're currently in the Isle of Wight, which is an island that belongs to the UK. I was about to say, that isn't in the UK. Well, duh, it's an island. So yes, it's a British island, and it's small and it's lovely. We haven't yet explored it, but so far, like when coming in, it just looked really nice and chilled. It isn't fast-paced like let's say where I live, or let's just say in London in general. But yeah, it's a very low-key area, and I can't wait to explore it. For those of you who don't know me personally or who don't follow me on social media, actually the only place you would follow me where you really get a glimpse of everything I'm doing is probably Facebook. But yeah, so for those of you who don't know, it was my wedding anniversary yesterday, which was the 3rd of September. And for those of you who again don't know me personally, my husband and I got married on another British island, and it's called the Isle of Wight. It's called. Okay, so my camera stopped recording. But anyway, I was saying that for those of you who don't know me personally, my husband and I got married on an island, and it's called the Isle of Man. And so we thought for our anniversary we could visit another island, and we thought of the Isle of Wight. If there's anybody out there who's got a husband who loves trains, please let's gather in the comment section, because it's not things.
take breaks no more. I've needed company from you lately.
Oh. Hi guys, so good morning. Today is Saturday, the second day of our Isle of Wight holiday, and we're actually it's not even a holiday, it's a weekend, anniversary weekend. And today we're on the Isle of Wight Steam Railway. Yes, Isle of Wight Steam Railway. We've been on the journey so far and haven't had the time to actually say hi to you guys, but yeah, as you can see, we're enjoying the ride. You know, I like rides. For those who know me know I like rides. My husband loves trains, so I think this is the last train we're getting on. Is it? Mm-hmm. Yes. So this is the last train we're getting on, and it's quite beautiful to watch. Oh, they're really nice. It's good to leave back in time and just experience what they experienced back then. Like, it's good to have that opportunity. I quite like these trains, especially the first class. I mean, the first class looks really nice. Well, for the time that it was made, it does look really nice. It's lovely. But anyway, I'll see you guys soon. And we saw a Zambian flag, so I guess you're gonna see it too. Yeah. Anyway, see you soon. See you soon. That's a word. See you soon. Hey guys, so we just got back from watching the bed display, which was absolutely amazing and very impressive, I'll tell you that. So we're currently heading to the Needles, it's called, right? Yeah, so yeah, we're currently headed to Needles, and yeah, we'll see you when we get there, guys. finally come to the end of our 3-day mini vacation. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you'd like to be notified every time I upload a video. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'll be seeing you all in my next video. Bye!